So here's a little showroom update from Edmonton. Of note now, we have stock on the new farm tables. These are a premium farm table and very well built, will not shrink, crack, warp. And they also have a very robust locking system for the legs. These legs fold for transport. Matching benches. There's some new chairs that we have. We have the O-back chairs, Louis chair, wishbone chairs now. Beauty about these chairs is the seat pads can be changed to create a different look with the chair. The original resin crossback, we also now have a new resin crossback. Believe it or not, I know you can't tell in the video, but this is a resin chair. Amazing. We also have some new wood crossback chairs. These are